Things you must do on your YouTube videos after every upload. A lot of startup content creators just create their content and publish on YouTube and move to the next one without even thinking of how that content will survive. Who does that? Let's take this to a physical example. You have a company and you create an amazing product like this. No one knows about your company, your business, and you put it in a new shop and leave it at that, leave it to its fate. That means you are preparing to fail. You are preparing not to be able to sell that product. It's just like what a lot of these startup content creators do. When they are done publishing their content, they are off to the next one, not even thinking of how that content is going to survive. When you do that on your content, you are already preparing to fail because that content will definitely not reach its potential audience. So, in today's video, I'm going to tell you what you must do after every upload for that video to reach its potential audience. Now, there are 3 important things you must do after every upload. The first 2 are extremely important, and the third one is optional. You can do it or you cannot do it, and I'm going to tell you why it's optional. Hi! You are highly welcome. Thank you for clicking on play, and I hope you get value from this video today and you get a change in the amount of audience you get on your channel implementing the strategy I'm going to show you today. Now, if you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe, you turn on your notification bell. Also, drop an amazing comment on this video and you like and subscribe on this channel, and go to the comment section if you're a content creator and connect with every content creator you see right there. They would do the same for you. Now let's get into our video proper. The first most important thing you must do as a content creator after publishing your video is for you to watch that video, is for you to drop a comment on that video, and for you to like that video. I know a lot of you will be like, Claudia, what are you talking about now? Sit quiet and let me give you the drift. Remember, YouTube's highest aim is to satisfy its audience. So if you are satisfying their audience, they will be recommending your videos more. And secondly, as a startup content creator, YouTube doesn't know you. YouTube doesn't know the kind of audience you want to reach out to. So that is a problem for you. That's why we talk about startup content creators and established content creators. Established content creators already have an identity. The algorithm of YouTube knows exactly the niche they are on and the kind of audience they are looking for, so will be recommending their videos to. While you, who is a startup content creator, the algorithm doesn't know you. The algorithm doesn't know the kind of audience you are looking for, which is a problem. And you are the one who has to let the algorithm know the kind of audience you are looking for so you can trick them to do that for you. See, a lot of established content creators you see out there have over 30 devices in their studios. Now, you'll be worried and you'll be like, what exactly are they doing with all these devices? They are using those devices to tweak the algorithm to recommend their videos more. So when they publish their videos, they use the 30 devices to watch their own videos, and these 30 devices have different YouTube channels. All right, so they've created different channels that they use to watch the main channel that they are publishing their content on. Now, as a startup content creator, you have just your smartphone. You don't even have a single laptop. And again, you don't have audience. What do? Create 3 or 5 other YouTube channels, and when you publish your videos, watch with the other channels that you've created. So the other 5 channels or 3 channels are only to watch your main channel, the videos on your main channel, and it is what you should do immediately you have dropped your video. Remember, the more you are watching, the more the algorithm is referring or recommending your videos to others. The longer you are watching, the longer the algorithm is recommending your videos to others. So implement this trick and let me know on the comment section how it has increased the audience on your channel, because I know it will definitely do that. Now that brings us to the second thing you must do after every upload on your channel. Share your video on all your social media platforms. Like I said, a lot of content creators will just publish the video and leave it to the fate of whatever happens beside the algorithm doesn't watch my videos. Let me tell you, all the content creators you see out there are using this trick, this strategy to see how they can trick the algorithm to recommend their videos more. So don't just publish and sit there. The second thing you must do after you have actually watched the video is for you to share this on all your socials. Your WhatsApp status, your WhatsApp group, your WhatsApp channel, your Telegram channel, your Telegram groups. You go to TikTok, Instagram. Whatever social media platform you are on, share this video there. And what will actually make it more appealing to audience is when you have like a 15 seconds highlight of the video you have on YouTube. If you have a 15 seconds highlight, then share it on the social media platforms and attach the link or the URL of the video to it, so that as they watch the highlight, they will click on that URL directly to your channel to watch the video. Don't just share the image. Like I said, 15 seconds highlight will make it more appealing to anyone who is looking for the kind of content you are creating. Now, my darlings, to make this method more interesting, go to Facebook and join YouTube groups and YouTube channels there on Facebook. There are thousands of them on your niche. Now, when you join them, each time you publish your video, share this 15 seconds or the link on those groups. There are a lot of communities there for content creators on different niches. So if you're a content creator and you do not have a community on your social media platform that is actually the kind of content, that is a community of the kind of content you create, then you are losing out, because these are the people who are going to help you grow as fast as possible. As I'm talking to you right now, go to the comment section. We have our own community right there on WhatsApp, on Telegram, and on Instagram. The links are there. Go click on it and join us. Start from there. Now, still on the second thing you must do when you upload your videos is for you to also share these videos on your shorts and also on your community tab. A lot of you are only concentrating on your long form videos and forgetting that you can actually share a short 15 seconds of the highlights of this video as short, and also maybe use your thumbnail as a community post and do a write-up, so that anyone who gets a chance there would be linked to this long form video so they can watch it. So make sure you share your long form video as short and also on your community tab for more engagement. The third thing which you must do after every upload is for you to promote that video. And this is one thing that a lot of stand-up content creators don't do. But other content creators that do comedy, skits, and maybe movies, they always have a budget. And when you're preparing your budget, part of the budget is budget for promotion, which a lot of us who do educational content, who do tutorials, we always neglect. And to tell you the truth, content creators that do educational tutorials and all this kind of niches, they don't spend a lot of money, because you just need to research on the topic, you script it out, you record, you edit, and then you post. Why those for content, those who do content like comedy, skits, movies, they have to go through a process of spending money to do this and that, but they still have a budget for promotion. Why we don't? So one of the things you must do is for you to be able to promote the videos that you upload on your channel. And there are two main ways in which you can promote. The first one, you can use Google AdSense to promote that video, and the second, you can actually give out maybe a 15-minute highlight of your video to a blogger to blog about it. You pay them to do that, right? So if you do not have a lot of money for promotion, you can promote for $5, $10, promote for a reasonable amount of money, because you're still a startup content creator and you do not have audience. But when you start receiving your earnings, then you can increase the amount you want to promote or run ads on that video. And then you can go to bloggers, the second part, right? And pay them money to advertise the videos you've dropped on your channel. Remember, the money you earn on YouTube is paid to you from the ads that run on YouTube. It is not YouTube that pays you, it is Google AdSense that pays you, and the money you earn is the money from the ads that people pay Google AdSense to run on YouTube. So if you're paying them to promote your channel, then you are working on the right track. You're working on 75% results or even more. While on the other social media platforms, you are working on 10% or even less. So if you want to promote, you have a budget set aside for promotion, maybe for the month, make sure you do it with Google AdSense. So this is the third thing you must do on your YouTube videos after you've published them. But it all depends on if you have the cap to spend. If you don't, you can concentrate on the first two until when you have the money for promotion that you can go ahead to run Google Ads on your videos. Thank you all so very much for watching this video until the end. I hope you've gotten value from this and you're gonna implement this on your channel. I want to give a big shout out to my 3 most engaging fans for the last week. This audience, these content creators have been amazing. They have been so supportive of this channel. We have Wholesome Kids, thank you so very much, Experience Live, and also Tit Chat with Gloria. So there's 3 amazing fans. Please go and support them. They will do the same for you. If they can support me this much that I just want to keep talking about them, then imagine what they're going to do to you. They are those content creators that want to grow and also want you to help them grow. So go and support these 3 amazing creators: Experience Live, Wholesome Kids, and Tit Chat with Gloria. Thank you also very much. If you're not yet a subscriber, please click on that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, drop an amazing comment if this video was of value to you, and make sure you like this video. Until next time, I am rooting for you. Bye-bye.